It demonstrates the impact that engineering has on an ever-changing world.
This is really impacting the minds of young potential engineers.
It's a showcase of what Illinois has to offer.
And this 1 year blip is not going to end it, it's not going to change it.
This is what they're dedicating their lives to
inspire people from the community that maybe don't feel like they can do it too.
What are you looking forward to this EOH?
This year, the 100th anniversary, so a lot of companies are coming with bigger booths. They paid for a bigger on-site package, and I'm excited to see what they have to bring to engage with the community. I'm also excited to see the student exhibits that are gonna do big things.
For visiting middle schoolers and high schoolers, we have panels of current college students, some professors. They can ask whatever they want. They can figure out what college is going to be like, or like what cool projects people are working on. And I think it worked out really well last year, and we're going to improve it this year even more.
We also this year are going to do a commemoration because this is the 100th year of EOH. And so my role will be also to kind of help with that commemoration and join in the ceremony and celebration.
I'm kind of hoping that people really see how much innovation we're presenting currently for this year's EOH is just going to be incredible.
In the beginning, I know there was talks about 100 rockets going off.
I guess that's one of the elements is of surprise. You're not sure what you're going to see when you go walk around.
I've seen some really exciting kind of iterations of old exhibits, which is really cool because I look out for the exhibits I've seen before, but it's really cool to see how they're continuing to adapt and innovate still on concepts they've already presented. So I think that kind of is the perfect symbolism for EOH 100 in my mind.
Hoping we can get Bill Nye back. That would be great. And they're going to do something big with Alma too, I know, for 2020.
We try to push the students to do something bigger for the anniversary, and really excited to see what they come up with.
When it comes to planning an event that's as large as EOH, a lot of my job is kind of overseeing and making sure that everything is going right behind the scenes.
You have 2 minutes for one run, then you have 8 minutes for a reset, and then you can do a second run for which you again have 2 minutes.
For MRDC, setup is a big part of it, where we start Tuesday evening as early as possible. We enter the gym three days early, and we start working non-stop from 9 a.m. to midnight, pretty much every day.
Is it going? All right, it's 10:46 on a Tuesday night, and you can see the course. It's already pretty much laid out. We still have to do some H-frames, but we still have to put the top frames on for the second level. But yeah, we're pretty much this far done already.
So then once EOH is here, what is your job?
Once EOH is here,
Getting everything started, making sure that everything is ready to go. All the exhibits are set up. The exhibitors know where they're supposed to be. Making sure that they have access to electricity if they need it.
Is it not? Oh my God.
The tables themselves, all the equipment, the t-shirts that have to be distributed to all the exhibits as well.
All the things that they need to best showcase their research.
We have 250 student exhibits this year. which is a slight increase from past years.
It kicks into another gear because then you have the general public coming into the building. That's always the exhilarating / frightening part, because you never know how the public's gonna react.
Can we see your robot? Yeah, about that. It's not ready.
Dear Granger Engineering faculty, staff, and students.
As you've no doubt heard, the University of Illinois system
has decided that COVID-19's public health implications
require us to suspend attendance by outside visitors to Engineering Open House for 2020.
EOH is an integral part of the Granger College of Engineering, and the fact that it is 100% student-led
has been a wonderful part of its character for a century.
And even if you don't take part, you know someone who does.
Be sure to thank them for their effort.
The work they are doing, especially the professional response to this disruption,
reflects their personal skill and their ability as Granger engineers to tackle the impossible every day.